Give me a hug. You love me? Hug me on camera. Hug me like you mean.
You got me beat during the break.
I'm sorry.
All right. How up to my question?
All right, ready.
All right, welcome back to my channel. We are back again. This is part 2 of our dating questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right now. Go ahead and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. No thumbs down. Thumbs up. And comment. Oh, I would have waited. I think I would have waited a little longer. I think. Even though we've been dating since 2009. I think we could have been engaged a little longer. You don't have to rush it. And it's not that we was rushed, because we was dating for what, 7 years, 2009 to 2017.
We didn't know each other.
And I mean, I felt like we knew each other, but I mean, it's still learning to do. But I felt like we could have probably been engaged. Maybe I would have did like 2 years. It was a year and maybe a couple months we was engaged.
Yeah, it was a year and a couple months.
Yeah. For me, I think that's what I would have did differently. And maybe being a little bit more stable, I think. And it wasn't that we just wasn't stable, because I was still early 20s, you was still early 20s. I mean, it was a lot we could have had, I guess, completed or finished before we brought each other
But now,
together.
we complete each other's answer, because that was going to be my answer.
Oh, for real?
It was going to be my answer.
That's cute.
Y'all so extra.
If I could do something different in the beginning, I wouldn't do anything different.
That's good.
The beginning was
So y'all on
nice.
fire right now.
It was smooth. Nah, take that back. Retract that. if I could do something different in the beginning, we would have had more public outings. Because you was telling me about that. You would come up there.
Yeah.
We would have more public outings. That would be the only thing though. Everything else was smooth. It was perfect timing. You know, everything was just. It was just
fire.
it was bread and butter.
Yeah.
I would just change, like, right now, our situation now, you would have got your ring before the baby.
I would agree. I would say I wish I would have slowed down a little more though. I think I'm gonna say that I wish I would have slowed down because we talked. So I would have slowed down and I would have been patient and more just going with the flow, right? Instead of just
Nah, she ain't had no patience.
Yes, I did.
She ain't had no patience.
Yes, I did.
If you could, which person, me or her?
Both. It go both ways.
It's 7 days in a week,
Nah, you tripping.
and then it's 5 working days. Technically,
Nah, you tripping.
5 working days. So with that being said, I feel like out of the 7 days, you should cook on at least 3 of them. And it should be like split up. Now how you split it up don't matter. It could be like, okay, this week you cooking all 3 times, and next week I'm gonna cook all 3. Or it could be like a rotation, you cook, I cook, you cook, I cook. Or it could be like, hey, I only cook on the odd numbers, you cook on the even numbers. Like, so then what you do is you make like a big pot of spaghetti. So if you make the big pot of spaghetti on Sunday, now Sunday, that's what you're gonna eat for dinner. Monday, you're gonna eat some spaghetti for lunch, and then you're gonna eat that for dinner. Now, depending on what mood y'all in, Tuesday you can cook again, or you can make Tuesday the last day y'all eat on that spaghetti, and then cook Wednesday.
Right. No, I kind of say 2 times a week. Like Sunday is always a day like I gotta cook on a Sunday.
You should have at least a day or 2 that you're going to eat on leftovers.
Especially when you got a family
And
like
then
you.
you,
That's
so 3 times a
leftovers
week
ain't for the last long.
I don't know how to
You
cook.
don't even eat leftovers.
No, your leftovers last week because you
don't.
cooked and you didn't eat them.
No, I did eat.
You cooked. What you talking about spaghetti?
Yeah, no, the pasta.
The pasta?
The Alfredo that I
You
used to
cooked
eat.
it. You cooked it. You cooked it. You cooked it. You cooked it. I promise you. The next day you were buying to let a cheeseburger. That's why your leftovers last.
I don't remember.
I do.
Well, I'm gonna speak the truth. I'm gonna give kudos to every woman out there that can cook every day. Cause let me tell you,
Me too.
I ain't doing it, and I ain't been doing it. Period. Let me tell you, I ain't do it before we was dating. I ain't do it when we was dating. I ain't do it when we was engaged. And I ain't doing it now. And I got a ring and I'm married. So, period. As a woman, you are tired. He can't cook. So, I'm cooking every day. He can make hot dogs. We can eat cereal. We can do chili cheese nachos. We can eat chips. But me, I'm cooking all the hardcore meals. I'm the cooker.
She gonna be a meme on Facebook on how
Wait,
not
you said you not
on
cooking
how
every
not
day?
to get a husband, bro.
Hey,
How?
Like, for real.
whatever woman out there cooking every day, I need you to comment below this.
Yeah,
video.
comment.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Cause we need to
we
know.
do. We do. Because I don't cook every day.
Listen, I disagree with everything my wife just said. If it's a woman out there and y'all know how to cook, we're not asking y'all to cook every single day. Kind of like me and Daniel said, 3 days out of the week is more than enough.
Okay, but I give you at least 2 times.
Okay, but you just said I'm not cooking every day. I'm not cooking.
Because we
But you
said,
look like you're.
Listen.
That's not. Listen, you're not gonna keep no husband. Don't listen to this.
listen, I kept you.
That's
Thank
what
you.
There it is.
So
I
listen,
have a limited.
what I mean-
I have a limited diet anyway. so-
Listen, what I mean is, I'm not cooking every single day. I can do 2 to 3 times a day. And sometimes it don't even be that because I be tired.
If I cook every day, you doing the dishes every day.
He do it anyway,
I
so
do the dishes every single
I
day.
can't argue with him on that. I do not do dishes.
No,
so.
but I think your day determines it. Like if I've had a rough day at work,
So you had a bad
I'm not gonna want to come home and cook. I don't know. I like our communication and just like when we together how we are.
I like our genuineness. Is that a word?
What's the word today?
Alright. And I like that we are we're like fun, exciting, like outgoing people. Like, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Even though I'm kind of boring, you have more of a brighter personality than me, but I feel like both of us together we're just like a dynamic duo.
I like that.
I would say I like that. I like how
The chemistry. That's a good word.
Yeah,
Chemistry.
I like the chemistry, but I'm saying I like the fact that I can talk to you like you're my best friend.
Yeah, that's
You
true.
know what I'm saying? I joke on you a lot, and it is because like I talk to my friends the same way, and I just like the fact that I can joke on you and you don't you get aggravated.
Sometimes I do.
Sometimes you be aggravated, but for the most part, like it's really like we in here acting like roommates or best
Yeah.
friends.
What I like most about our relationship, your family. I like your family.
That ain't even got nothing to do with me.
It do. It got a lot to do with you.
No, it don't.
It do. I like your family. They just welcome me with open arms.
What does that? No, they have nothing to do with our relationship because they're not in between our relationship.
I like most is
It's taking too
what's
long.
the word? Our selflessness. Is that how you say
Yeah,
it?
that's
Our
how you say it.
selflessness.
Selflessness.
What you mean?
Cause it's like it's times where it's clear like one of us want to do something, the other don't want to do it. But it's like, okay, I'm gonna do it because you want to do it, and you don't just do it, or I don't just do it, but like you do it with enthusiasm. You know
Like
what
it's
I'm saying?
genuine.
Yeah, you know.
So me and Mariah's story is not like a love at first sight story.
Family,
/ church.
outings, and church.
Well, church first.
Okay, so then
It was church
reword
first.
it then, since y'all can't remember like the actual first meeting. How did it get to a first date?
I don't know.
Our parents. Yes, you
They
do.
didn't force me to date you.
Yeah, my parents and your parents.
They was a
But
part.
they
of,
were
it
for
was
but
a
I'm
part of
saying,
an
like,
arranged marriage, y'all.
I mean,
Pretty much.
They of course they wanted to see us both in a relationship.
Our
together,
parents
but that's
was
not what
plotting.
ultimately. But
That's what they was doing.
But that's not what ultimately made me ask you out on a date. So that's the difference.
No, they
could've
didn't, but
wanted
they was
that,
plotting.
yeah.
Yeah. What made you ask me then?
I don't know. Like I just like how like mature you were.
How did we meet?
How did we meet? Tell the world.
Let me tell them, because you tell the exaggerate. We met at a birthday party.
Don't brag too much on me.
Oh, trust I'm. We met at a birthday party out of town. We met at a cabin, and it was just great conversation. Like, We was in a cabin.
So when
He was no, he ain't gonna tell it right. He was
So-
more interested than
all right,
first.
here we go. So,
I'll break it down because she want to lie.
we met at a cabin. When we first got there, she really wasn't studying me because she already had like a little situation going on back home. So she wasn't really trying to pay me no attention. But me being the Prince Charming that I am,
Oh my god.
after a few moments of conversation while we were sitting in the hot tub, like you could not
You
resist
can't.
anymore. You just sitting here, you got great conversation, you just got all these muscles
you
just
so-
glistening in this water.
Oh.
And it was just like,
You were really lying.
I gotta have it. I was like, I gotta have
Oh,
it.
you lied.
But even then, she still tried to play hard to get, so she was acting all tough and whatnot, like she wasn't interested.
I hope everybody
And then
that was at that
What ended up
cabin.
happening?
Comment.
What ended up happening
Oh my
was
gosh.
when we left the cabin, because I had got her number while I was there. When we left the cabin, I had texted her, and she was just like, and she takes back like quick. I'm talking about
Daniel,
quick.
you are showing your mind. First of all, no, that's not how it went. Scratch that. Because I wasn't giving somebody the time of day in the hot tub. Somebody tried to clear out the hot tub. Let's go there. Just to have a conversation because I wasn't paying him any attention.
First
And from there, how did I get your number? Somebody gave me your number so that we could go get the food that we were getting for everybody there.
Okay.
And from there, who then was like, I want you to get to know me. So I'm going to drive to Chattanooga and we're going to spend the whole day
These
together.
stories sound
So
contradictory,
he came
so-
to me
Ain't that what I said?
and he took me out. No, because you was like, I was texting back all fast. Like, I was just like,
Was you
ooh.
not? You gonna sit and say you wasn't?
I had a good 3-minute pause in between each text message. So a part of us meeting together, there was no cell phone service.
It wasn't no cell phone service.
It wasn't no
cable,
Wi-Fi.
It was no Wi-Fi. It was like we literally had to bond.
Like you
in the house,
had
like,
to talk to
that
get
was
to
it.
know somebody.
That's all we
So
had.
it was like, it was real cool.
That's all we did all weekend. We bonded and stuff. Yeah, we looked like we got together.
We already dressed up like we're going to start
Oh
blending.
my god.
All
right,
now
y'all.
we're blending.
So that was a little bit about us and our relationship questions. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, no thumbs down. Comment below. All our names are gonna be below in our social media, and subscribe to my channel.
click that subscribe button.
Click the button,
The button right there.
and we is out.
Oh,
You covered the wrong part.
Let me do it again.
Where's Mojo legs?
And we do this.
I was looking at that.